Now it is time for the escape sequences. Okay, now let's imagine we have this value, okay, which is var, for example, and we have I or am a hacker. Okay, now you can see that we have a single quotation here. Now actually this will ruin everything for us. If we imagine if we are using a single quotation here, not as a double quotation, so like this. So actually this will ruin everything for us, because you can see the open quotation, the single quotation here opened, and now we closed it here. So this will give us an error. So it's, if we print the var, and let's check how it is. Yeah, so if I go here, if I clear the screen, if you can see that here, syntax error, invalid syntax on side the I am, because the am is outside of any quotation. As you can see, it is outside of any quotation. Now how to do that actually? Well, the best thing is using the sequences, the escape, and this is the best practice, by the way, by putting backslash here. So which means that backslash escape this character, which is the single quotation, and I am a hacker. So if I save now, and by the way, you can see that it is now highlighted using the Visual Code Studio. So if I go there, if I type by here, you can see now I am a hacker. Now, which is something very good. Now, what if I want to put something else? Now, if I want to put I am a hacker slash or backslash anyway, engineer. Okay, like this. Now this will give us error. Now actually, if I type this backslash, because backslash is used to escape or to do things. So if I put backslash with n, this will give us a new line. So if I type here backslash n engineer, forget about the e, so backslash n, so this will not do this as a backslash. This actually will assume that this is a new line. So if I saved now and I print, you can see that now I am a hacker engineer, so without the n here. Okay, now just assume the word is engineer without e. Okay, just follow me, okay, in here. So how to do that actually? I think you guessed it right. Yeah, just put two backslashes. Okay, so the first backslash is the one that we want, but we need to escape it. How to do that? By using the backslash slash. Okay, like this. And now let's go there. Let's run it again. Yeah, you can see that I am a hacker slash engineer. Okay, all right. So what we learned here actually, that using the backslash to escape any special characters, like the single quotation, like another slash, and so on. Okay, thanks for watching.